What's up everyone, this is Ben, and these are the top 5 must-have Android apps of 2014, episode 5. In case you guys are new to the series, this is a weekly series where I cover my top 5 must-have Android apps that I have discovered in the past week. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. So the first app that I'm going to show you guys today is called Shark Photo Editor. When you first open it up, you'll be greeted with a really nice and simple interface. On the top you have the settings button. In here you can change the max photo size. However, you have to keep in mind that the higher the size, the higher will be the resolution of the image and the file size. You can also save original unedited photos. You can enable square photos for Instagram. There's also a link to more photo apps and a couple of other links. To select a photo, you can choose camera, which will allow you to take a picture straight away, or gallery to choose a picture from the gallery. After you choose an image, you can adjust the brightness, saturation and more. You can also apply different filters and effects. You can add some stickers and flares. You also have shapes, frames and finally you can rotate the image, which is really nice as well. Up next we have a pretty graphically intensive game called Dead Effect, which is kind of similar to Dead Trigger, but not really. When you first open up the game, you can create 2 different profiles. You also receive daily bonuses, which is really nice. Before you start playing, you can choose between a couple of different modes. You have story mode, missions, daily missions, survival, and biohazard. Another cool thing is that you can choose between a male and a female for a character, which is really cool as well. So if we just take a quick look at this game, the left side of the screen is used to move, the right side is used to aim. You also have a couple of buttons to zoom with the weapon and so on. And on the top right corner you can switch between the weapons if you have more than one. It's pretty hard to keep fit without a ton of exercise with the lifestyle that most of us have. We usually spend most of our day at school or work, and when we get home we need to do even more work, which makes us really inactive. But today I'm going to show you an app that will allow you to either lose weight, maintain weight or gain weight if you're trying to bulk up. This app is called MyFitnessPal, and as you guys can see, this app has a really nice and clean interface. When you first open it up, you'll have to set up your goal and you're ready to go. Anyway, to use this app, all you have to do is enter everything that you eat during the day and try not to pass your calorie goal, and that's pretty much it. It's definitely a really cool and inspiring app. Up next we have a really fun game for all the casino addicts. This one is called Slots Casino Party, and it's all about slot machines. You can choose between classic slots, special slots, bingo and poker, which I'm pretty sure requires an additional download of a research pack. When you first start playing, you only have about 2000 coins, which you can then spend in casinos. You can also get daily bonuses. I also really like that you can play with your friends, which is really cool as well. The design of this game was also pretty cool and nice, which I really enjoyed. And finally, the last app for today is called SwiftKey Keyboard, which costs €3.99 in the Google Playstore, and believe me, it's well worth it. So first you'll have to enable this keyboard, then you'll have to select this keyboard as your default keyboard, and then you'll have to sign in with either Facebook, Google, Evernote and so on to get better predictions. This keyboard is also really nice as it supports almost every single language out there. It also supports a lot of themes for the keyboard and a lot more, which you can customize by clicking on the settings button. So I know what you're thinking right now, why would I use this keyboard over the Google keyboard? Well, SwiftKey is much more accurate and much faster than the stock keyboard. It can also be customized quite a bit, which is another plus. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching another episode of Top 5 Must-Have Android Apps of 2014. I hope you liked this one, and if you did, then make sure to press that like button down below as it helps out the channel quite a bit. Also make sure to comment down below with your favorite app of this week, and finally be sure to subscribe for more high quality Android content.